These are pretty small logs for us, but so far this year we're just cutting everything. Usually we sell this little stuff, but they don't seem to be wanting to buy it this year at the prices they're paying for logs, so we'll cut it. Generally we trade this stuff for big logs that they can't cut. We trade little logs we don't want to mess with, but we can cut them all, so we will. This makes 11 loads so far today. If it stays at this pace, we'll have 20, right at 20 loads today. We run usually between 10 and 25 loads a day. Depends on how much fur and logs going other places there is on these jobs. Equipment breakdowns, moving landings, all of that kind of stuff. Yesterday was slow. Today's been pretty busy. Like yesterday they got some logs up ahead and they got some more trucks. So today they're going to get some extra trucks and clean them out. Trucks all look the same, but there isn't any two of them trailers load the same. Every one of them has its own little quirks.